It's 500 and counting. Bicolano Alachar Anglers Club, BAAC. Bicolano Alachar Anglers Club would like to thank the 500 plus subscribers who are keeping us active and participative. Thank you for your opinions, remarks, comments, and the accolades you've given us. We're halfway to the elusive banana, which will pave the way for the monetization of this channel. So once again, thank you for your support and for the undying admiration in our advocacy, and that is selective fishing through angling. From all of us here in Bicol, Philippines, fish on, tight line, alachars. And now the road to 1,000 and the banana.
Piliin na ng mga isdang nakukuha. Ang mga bawat naulin ay pagkawalan.
Bagay, hindi ka na mabakal.
Halika na, mamingwing sa ilog, lawa at karagatan. Halika na, mamingwing panista sa
Relax, stay na.
paraan.
Ay, pure! Yan pa yan.
Kaibigan, tayo na makipagsapalaran. Piliin na mga isdang nakukuha. Ang mga bawat naulin ay pagkawalan.
O, yan na. Yan na. Ayan na siya. Puta na kulak talaga, boy. Kulak talaga, boy. Ayos. Yan, nagdi sa video ko. Dirmi ka ng payan. Ale. Posta na naman sa B. Okay. Karaputan daw ko sa il. Yan nga,